Importing your Solflare wallet to Phantom Wallet allows you to access your Solana assets across both platforms. Here's how to do it. Open Phantom Wallet. Install and open the Phantom Wallet app or browser extension. Set up your Phantom Wallet by creating a new wallet or logging in if you already have one. Go to the settings. In Phantom Wallet, click on the three horizontal lines in the upper left corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Choose Add or Import Wallet. Under the Settings menu, select the Add or Import Wallet option. Select Import Wallet. Choose Import Wallet to begin the process of importing a wallet from another platform. Enter your Solflare recovery phrase. Phantom will prompt you to enter your 12-word Solflare recovery phrase. Carefully type in the seed phrase from your Solflare wallet in the correct order. Double check for any mistakes. Set a password. Set a password for your Phantom wallet to secure your assets. Complete the import. Once the seed phrase is entered and password set, click Import. Your Solflare wallet will now be accessible within Phantom Wallet.